Hello everybody, how's it going today? In this video, I'll be teaching you how to create an Instagram account without anyone knowing. This is useful if you want a private account, a separate account for content creation, or just to keep things completely personal. So let's get started. First of all, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure it's fully updated. Using the latest version helps avoid any issues during the sign-up process. Once you're inside the app, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. From there, tap on your username at the top and then select Add Account. After that, choose Create New Account. Now, Instagram will guide you through the account creation process. This is the most important part if you want to stay private. When asked to sign up, make sure you use a brand new email address that is not connected to your personal email, Facebook, or phone number. Do not use an email that people already know. Next, choose a username that's completely different from your real name or your main Instagram account. Avoid using your real photo, real name, or any identifiable information. This helps ensure that Instagram doesn't suggest your account to people you know. When setting up your profile, you can skip adding contacts, syncing your phone number, or connecting to Facebook. These options are usually shown during setup, so just skip them to keep your account private. After completing the setup, you'll have a brand new Instagram account that isn't linked to your personal identity. As long as you don't sync contacts or use familiar information, no one you know will be notified. And that's it. You've successfully created an Instagram account without anyone knowing. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya!